Moist heat cooking means moisture is added to the meat and cooked slowly over a long time. It includes braising and cooking in liquid such as stewing, simmering, and poaching. Braising, from the French word braiser, is a combination cooking method that uses both wet and dry heats. The food is first sauteed at a high temperature, then finished in a lower temperature with some amount of liquid, which may also add flavor. Cooking in liquid. Stewing is a combination cooking method that uses small and uniform pieces of meat in a liquid and slowly simmered. The food and the liquid are served together as one dish. Simmering cooks food gently and slowly, used with whole cuts of meats and less tender parts of meat. Cooking food in liquid or even just cooking the liquid itself at a temperature just below the boiling point. Poaching cooks meat with the use of simmering liquid in a covered pan. The liquid is brought to a boil and then reduced so that the liquid is at a gentle simmer and the pan is covered. Meat cuts suited for moist heat methods of cooking meat. Beef cuts. Chuck cuts of beef are best cooked slowly over time with a crock pot or by braising. The shank is best cooked over a long period and in liquid. It is best in soups, stews, or to make beef stock. Brisket, also good for braising. Short plate, best braised because of its toughness. Flank cuts are best cooked with moist methods like braising. Pork cuts. Head and legs are best cooked with moist methods like boiling and simmering. Shoulder blade, short ribs are best for braising and stewing methods. Belly and shank are best for braising method. Sample recipes in moist heat cooking of meats. Beef stew, beef bulalo, braised short ribs, pork stew, simmered pork, braised pork ribs.